Hi guys, on today's video I will show you the right way to use and to prepare this DIY protein treatment for extremely longer, thicker, fuller hair growth. This protein treatment will help to keep your hair easy to manage, reduce your breakage, your shedding, repair your damaged hair, and also give you healthy looking shine hair. Our first ingredient is avocado. I'll be making use of 2 medium size of my avocado. You can use one, okay, but I end up using 1.5 because the 2 avocado is not good. So that's why it's good to get extra one so that you cannot get disappointed, okay. Avocado deeply moisturize dry hair and scalp, make hair softer, thicker, and fuller, strengthen weak hair too, reduce breakage. Avocado also helps hair grow healthier and faster, add natural shine and smoothness to your hair. Avocado is very good to our hair, okay. You can also eat avocado, take it in and also apply it on your hair. You will get amazing good results on it, especially if you are battling with dry hair, if you are battling with breakage, if you are battling with lifeless hair, if your hair is very coarse, you are looking for natural ingredients that can help you to soften your hair. Avocado is one of that powerful but simple ingredient that can answer you anytime you call it, okay. So what I just did after scooping out my avocado, this is what I have so far. So I'll be using my spoon to match it. I'm doing this so that for those that don't have blender, you don't have any excuse not to prepare this avocado hair mask on your hair, okay. Just make use of your spoon or your fork to match it into a very smooth paste, okay. It's very easy, but if you have blender, just put it in your blender, put all the ingredients on your blender and blend it. But if you don't have blender, just follow this step. I'm doing this step for beginner friendly, for those that don't have blender, so that you don't have any single excuse not to prepare this protein treatment, okay. After matching my avocado for a while, so now let's add our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is banana. I'll be making use of 3 sizable of my banana. See guys, if you are not using blender, you are using spoon or fork to match this, please use banana that ripe very well, and also use avocado that also ripe very well, so that it will be very easy for you to match, and also so that it can get very creamy consistent, okay. So what I'm doing now is to peel off the banana and put it inside the avocado that I have already matched, and I will continue matching it together with the avocado with my spoon. So why is it banana is secret hair growth ingredient, and also why is it important in this particular protein treatment? Because banana work like a natural hair conditioner. It softens, strengthens, smooth, and protect the hair so that your hair can grow longer, stronger, and healthier without breakage. When you're experiencing a lot of breakage, you will not retain length, your hair will not be long, your hair will not be healthy, and your hair will not be thicker. So banana can help you to solve that problem, and also banana can also help to transform your dry coarse hair into a very soft healthy hair. There are more benefits of banana, okay. It can carry on your research. Banana is very good to our hair. So after some minutes, this is what I have so far. To be honest with you, you need to be patient with this. If you are using your spoon or a fork, you need to be patient, okay, so that you can get this creamy consistent, okay. So but blender will do very faster work for you. But if you don't have blender, you don't need to panic. Just take your time to match it, okay, and you still get this consistent. But I did a mistake. I'm using this shift cloth. Do not use shift cloth to shift yours. Just use your wick cap. Okay, wig cap is the best to do this. As you can see, I later transfer it into my wig cap because this sheep cloth is not giving me what I want. This sheep cloth is just bringing out the water that come out from the banana. You know, banana contain a lot of water, so the sheep cloth is not good to strain out this. Just go ahead and use a wig cap. So I bring out my new wig cap. I just double the wig cap. The wig cap is 2, so I will transfer the ingredient into this wig cap so that I can strain it properly. Please, straining it is very important. Okay, whether you are using blender or you are using your spoon to match it, make sure you strain it because there are little particles that will come out from the avocado and the banana. If you do not strain them, they will stuck on your hair and you will not love that. Okay, you will not like that to happen to you because you sleep on the bathroom, try to rinse it out, and at the end of the day you may not still rinse them out. So to avoid that, please make sure you use your wig cap to strain it. Okay, strain it. You can even strain it 2 times. Okay, so that you know that it's very smooth. Okay, so that you don't have any single particles of these 2 ingredients on your hair. Please do not skip this part. It's very important. Our third ingredient is egg. I'll be making use of 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg, but do not use more than 2 eggs. Okay, egg packed with protein that repair damaged hair, make hair strong and thicker, help stop excessive shedding, boost faster hair growth, gives your hair a fuller volume look. So what I'm just doing now is to crack my eggs. Okay, so after cracking my 2 eggs, next thing I will do now is to whip it together with this my protein treatment. I'll make sure that the egg combine very well with the banana and the avocado. Let's add our last ingredient. Our last ingredient for this protein treatment is honey. Please make sure you add honey. Okay, or if you don't have honey, you can add any of your hair growth oil you like, but honey helps lock in moisture inside and prevent dryness and breakage, make hair shine and smooth, stop itching scalp, keep your hair healthy and nourishment. So I'll still add 1 to 2 tablespoons of my honey. So if you are using your regular hair growth oil, you can also use 1 or 2 tablespoons of it. So after then, mix everything properly. Okay, then we can move to our last step. After mixing it properly, now the next thing now is to apply it to your hair. This is the last step, application process. So this protein treatment is very easy to prepare, but the benefit to be gotten on it is mind-blowing. So to use it on your hair, like as I said, this will help to soften your hair, help to detangle your hair, help your hair very easy to manage, reduce shedding and breakage. So I'm trying this on a dry hair. As you can see, my hair is dry, for me to let you know that this can really soften your hair. My hair is very dry and matted. Okay, so I'm just taking that risky, and believe me, it's not a risky. Okay, it's a game changer indeed. So if this is a sign to show that if your hair is very dry, this particular DIY protein treatment have that power to bring your hair back to life. Okay, but what you must do is to work in session. Okay, do not use this without working in session, so that you are 100% sure that this coated all over your hair strands, and also you can also apply it on your scalp. Okay, so after applying this on my dry hair, as you can see, my hair is very dry and matted. You will see how this will soften my hair, keep my hair so moisturized, so hydrated, very easy to manage. Guys, when I mean it, very easy to manage. This particular DIY protein treatment is something you don't need to skip. And also, I'll be telling you how often you can use this on your hair to repair your damaged hair, to promote faster hair growth, to achieve longer healthy hair, and also to keep your hair very easy to manage. So after applying that session, do you see how easy my hair is? I have not combed my hair. Do you see how this instantly bring my hair back to life? This is a game changer indeed. You don't need to spend too much money. You don't need to break break the bank before you can achieve healthy hair growth. These simple ingredients I always share with you in this channel. If you can be consistent with any of them, try it, be consistent with it, and you see that you don't need to break the bank before you grow your hair. They will help you to achieve your hair goals, okay? These are the reason why this protein treatment is very powerful and very important for those that are serious with their hair this year 2026. This particular protein treatment will help to deeply nourish your hair from the roots to the tip, strengthen weak hair and reduce breakage, and also improve hair thickness and softness and shyness. Create the perfect conditioner for fast healthy hair growth. Those are the powerful benefits to be achieving whenever you use this protein treatment on your hair, and I would advise you to be consistent with it, especially if you are dealing with dry hair. If your hair is very dry or your hair is very hard to manage, you are looking for a way to soften your hair, you're experiencing a lot of breakage, you want to grow your hair longer, thicker, fuller, or your hair strength is weak, your hair is lifeless, this particular protein treatment will help you to bring your hair back to life and repair your split end. This protein treatment is a must try, and the good news about this protein treatment is inexpensive and also is very easy to find, so you don't have any excuse not to prepare this, okay? Always use this on your hair and you see what will happen to your hair. This is a lifesaver, honestly with you, is a very big lifesaver. Do you see how soft, how manageable, how hydrated and moisturized my hair is? Guys, do not sleep with this, okay? Meaning, do not joke with this, okay? This will bring your hair back to life. There is no joke. You can see the result, you can see the proof that this will bring your hair back to life, give you very healthy hair and promote faster hair growth, and also repair your damaged hair. There is no joke, okay? So now let me tell you how often you should use this if you are looking for a way to get quicker results, especially for repairing your damaged hair, thickening up your hair, and also reducing breakage, and also getting faster hair growth. With this, use it once in a week, okay? Once in a week is the perfect time to use this. But for those that want to use it for their general good health of their hair, just use it only on your wash days. Like if you wash your hair once in a week, please use it, or once in 2 weeks, also make use of it. But for those that want to repair their damaged hair, that want to see faster results with this, promote their hair growth, stop shedding, thicken up their hair, then use it once in a week equals to using it 4 times in a month, okay? So when you are consistent using it 4 times in a month, you can use it like that for 2 to 3 months. Now you can give it a break and use it once in 2 weeks. I hope you're understanding me, so that you will get quicker results, okay? After I applied this protein treatment on my hair, so the next step now is for me to detangle my hair. So guys, I will give you one secret step, okay? This step will help you a whole lot. It will help you to see more good results with this particular protein treatment. So that step, if you want to get lesser shedding, if you want to get lesser breakage, and if you want this to soften your hair very well so that it will very easy for you to comb, do this. The thing you must do is to cover up your hair after applying it on your hair. Do not detangle your hair immediately. Cover up your hair, allow your hair to sit for that 1 hour or 30 minutes, then remove your shower cap and take your time and detangle your hair. It will be very easy for you to detangle. You will get less breakage, less shedding, and also less stress. This will help you a whole lot. If you are dealing with shedding and breakage, do not comb your hair immediately after applying it. Allow it to sit on your hair for some minutes or an hour, so that the protein treatment can penetrate more on your hair, give you that more softness, so that whenever you're combing your hair, it will be more easier for you to comb and less shedding and less stress. Okay, so after combing the hairs, after cover your hair for some minutes and comb your hair, then you can go ahead and rinse your hair out. After rinsing it out, you must use your moisturizer conditioner to condition your hair immediately, meaning use your rinse out conditioner to condition your hair. After condition your hair, rinse it out, then go ahead and use your leave-in conditioner and your hair growth oil and your hair growth butter to see in your hair. So if you want to put your hair in a protective hairstyle, go ahead and put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Repeat this whenever you apply this on your hair. But if your hair is on braid or mini twins, you can also apply this. It's not must your hair must be out before you can use this on your hair. If you are carrying mini braid or mini twins, please also go ahead and prepare this. Okay, make sure that the protective hairstyle there is no extension with it, okay, so that you get good result. If you have extension under your protective hairstyle, do not apply it. Okay, so you can only apply it when your hair you do not have extension on your protective hairstyle. So guys, as you can see, this is very easy now for my hair to comb. My hair is very soft, very soft. This deep conditioner is a game changer, guys. I cannot emphasize this. Just give it a try and come back and tell me thank you. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please do well to like this video, subscribe, okay, so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Okay, and also make sure you turn on your bell notification bell to all, so that you always be notified. Okay, believe me, you will never regret joining this amazing family. Okay, and also please do well to share this video to your family and friends, so that they will get the good news on today's video. Okay, so guys, please let me know if you have tried this particular protein treatment before on your hair. Please, if you have tried it, drop your result in comment section below, so that it will encourage others. Okay, and also if you have not tried it, one like, give it a try and you will never ever regret it. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.